Hello and welcome to a QuickBooks tutorial on how to set up a reoccurring transaction. So you'll see on my screen here, I'm in the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you're going to want to go to your transactions on the left-hand side. You'll see a pop-up appear with multiple selections. You want to go to the bottom. Reoccurring transactions. When you click on the reoccurring transactions, you'll see the ones that you've already set up, and on the right hand side you'll see a green button that says new. When you click on the new button, it will ask you what type of template you would like to create. So you have the option of bill, non-posting charge, check, non-posting credit, credit card, credit memo, deposit, estimate, expense, invoice, journal entry, refund, sales receipt, transfer, supplier credit, or purchase order. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose a bill, and then we're going to select OK. So here is the template that we're going to be entering in. So the first thing that we want to do is enter the template name. So I'm going to enter in mobility, sales, and you have the option of putting this as a scheduled bill, a reminder, or an unscheduled. So I am going to create this. So the system is going to create this 10 days in advance. My supplier, now I do have a supplier already created, Talk Mobility, but I'm actually going to show you how to create a new supplier. So we're going to click on the Add New, and the company name is going to be Jen's Mobility Inc. Oops. Okay, there we go. We don't need to add a lot of information here. The more information, the better. Our supplier type is a business. You would want to enter in the business number. So the types of payments, we're going to do net 15. And the type of payment this would be, let's see here, what kind of expenses do we have? So we're going to put this as an office expense today, and we are going to save. Okay. So the interval of this is going to be monthly on the 15th day of every month. And we're going to start this next month, which in this case is going to be in September, on the 15th day. I'm not going to set this to end because if you do change suppliers, you can always go in and edit this, which I'll show you at the end of the video. So at the bottom here, you're going to put in the information about the expense. So it's an office expense. And you're going to put in that this is for cell phones, and cell phone bills are typically the same each month unless there's overages, etc. So I'm actually going to put in 250, which is quite high, but you know how that is. And we're in Ontario, so I'm going to put in the HST. So that would make my cell phones $282.50 each month. If there is a difference, I can always go in and manage the expenses by editing the template. So after this, I press Save Template, and that brings me back to the reoccurring transaction window. And here you'll see this is my mobility sales 2 scheduled every month. And the next date is September 15th to Jen's Mobility for $282.50. And if I do need to go in and edit this template in any way, say we canceled some phones or whatever the case may be, I can do that at any time. I can add an end date. I can change this amount if the phone bill went up or went down, and then just hit the save button again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy accounting.